Leave the steering. Yeah.
Okay.
Just slowly reverse.
Wow. This is really good.
That's pretty cool, right?
Oh.
Slow down.
Okay.
Yep. Just take it easy.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಚಾನಲ್ 48 ಆಟೋಮೊಬೈಲ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಿಯಲಿ ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಆಲ್ ನ್ಯೂ Volkswagen Tiguan. ಸೊ ಟಿಗ್ವಾನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದು ವೆರಿ ಸಫಿಸ್ಟಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಕಾರ್, ಒಂಥರ ಒಂದು ಹೈ ಎಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಈ ಹೈ ಎಂಡ್ ಸಫಿಸ್ಟಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಕಾರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 4x4 ಆರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದರದ್ದು ಫುಲ್ ಕೇಪಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೇಗಿದು ಆಫ್ ರೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ, ಟಿಗ್ವಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Volkswagen ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಬನ್ನಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಈ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಥರದ್ದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಲೈಕ್, ಶೇರ್, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಟು ದ ಚಾನಲ್. ಬನ್ನಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ನ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಹೇಗೆ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ.
Whatever the instructor says,
Sure.
just trust the car. Purely just trust the car. You'll feel a little hesitant, you'll feel a little scared. Okay, would it do, would it not do?
Yeah.
I myself felt hesitant. So yeah, it's good. You're good. It's all gonna do.
Yep.
It's gonna do what it's supposed to. Just
Yeah.
trust the machine. That's it. You can go like say, nice and slow.
Sure.
I would say use both.
Yeah.
Like brake and accelerator at the same time. And don't go past 2,500. 2,000 is
2000 is enough. Okay.
2,000 enough, but don't come off instantly.
Yeah.
Keep it gradual, keep it nice, like,
Mhm.
around say. Yeah, it's perfect.
Okay.
So potholes of silkwood.
Okay. All over Bangalore. So this is gently getting you into this
Yeah.
mood of off-roading,
That's it.
and then after this,
Yeah, and this
Yeah.
is a little scary. Not that scary, I would say.
yeah,
Just
parabolic
a little
drive. Yeah.
Yeah. Little go straight.
Okay.
Pull left. Good slow. Slow.
Okay.
Keep your foot on the brake also.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice and slow. Go. You're good.
Okay. Straighten this
Just
up a
trust the
bit.
car.
Yeah.
Straighten it out.
Yeah. So
There you
it
go.
has stopped on its own.
Stop on its own.
Yeah.
Throttle it.
Okay. Okay. Pretty much it does its
Yeah.
own thing. Okay.
Straighten it out. Straighten it. Straight.
Yeah.
Straight. Stop.
The driver who's with Chetan, come up and stop just before the board and then I'll guide you, okay?
Sure.
Okay, turn left now, turn left, yeah.
Not too much.
Keep
Yeah,
coming.
that's
Keep coming. Keep braking. Just come slowly, please. Otherwise, you'll damage the activity. Yeah, keep coming. Turn right a bit.
Turn right.
Yeah, keep coming now. Come straight. Now turn left. Turn left.
come slowly. Don't keep braking. Keep slow.
Okay.
So don't keep pumping the brakes, okay?
Okay.
Just keep coming slowly.
Slow. Turn right. Go.
Don't turn fully, just turn a little bit. Yeah, keep
Keep
no,
coming.
turn
Let
right,
go of the
turn
brake.
right. Turn right.
Yeah.
Turn right. Yeah, keep moving. Turn right. Yeah, keep coming.
Fine.
Yeah, you're good. Go.
Yeah, keep going. Left, turn left, turn left, turn left. Yeah. Keep. Come straight now. Now turn right fully.
Come. Alright. Slowly, nice and steady. It's perfect. Straighten it out for you. Nice and easy. Shake.
Ethan, please take over.
Okay, now slow and steady. Nice and steady. Yeah, this is a pretty slow section that you have to be in, so you have to say, keep a little break and then pull more front. That's all. You got this, just trust the car.
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead. You got this. Good.
Sir, just look at me. It's not a big deal at all.
Oh.
Just relax.
Yeah.
Okay. Just come up all the way here.
Go.
Come up.
Yeah.
Keep coming. Keep coming. Straighten out the series. Straighten it out.
Straight.
Yeah.
Yep. You good? And left. Straighten it out. Just a little. You gotta go through the cone, yeah?
Okay.
Just a little.
Yeah.
Left. Right. Turn right. Turning right. Keep turning right. Right. Perfect. You're good. Straight through. Turn left. Slowly here. Nice and very slowly. Yep. Go straight. Straight.
Straight.
Yeah, straight. Yeah. Left. Turn little bit. Left. Let go.
Yeah.
Nice.
So it does its thing again over here.
Right. Go here and you stop there.
Yep. So this right over here is descent as well as a right turn over here.
Come left a bit. Chetan, left.
Left.
Yeah. Keep coming. Now straighten out the steering wheel.
Straight.
Now turn right. Turn right. Yeah. Very good. Turn right. Keep moving. Don't stop. Turn right. Keep moving. Slowly.
Left.
Turn right. Straight. You go up.
Go up. Left. Go. Keep going. Go ahead.